Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a stable baseline so changes show real gains. Update your GPU drivers and Windows now. This fixes many renderer bugs and performance regressions. Once done, choose windowed or full screen to test how frame pacing behaves because display mode affects latency. Make sure hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling is on when your system supports it. It can lower latency on modern GPUs. These are quick, foundational steps that prevent chasing non-existent issues later and let you optimize effectively. Now you tweak Genshin's visuals to balance look versus performance. Reduce render scale slightly to 90-100% to maintain sharpness while cutting GPU load. This affects clarity less than lowering core textures. Once done, lower shadows and reflections because they typically eat the most frames. This preserves character detail while freeing performance. Make sure to disable motion blur and dial down ambient occlusion, SAO, to reduce visual noise. Together, these choices improve perceived image quality and stabilize frame rate during combat. Finish by applying mild post-process and verifying stability. If you use reshade, stick to color grading and contrast tweaks only. Avoid bloom or heavy sharpening because they add artifacts and input lag. Next, lock your target FPS or enable VSync/G-Sync to remove microstutters. Make sure your display refresh aligns with the game. Finally, test in 1 or 2 busy combat zones to confirm consistent performance, and save your settings as a preset so you can revert instantly if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.